Ram. My name is Sarama. Today I am in my native place. Just now it was raining heavily. Now see how sunny it is. Nature is like this. Minute to minute, second to second, it changes. See, there is a butterfly there. Oh, it went. All over here we see green color. Green trees, green plants, all over green. But here see, there is a brown color plant. So the nature has many colors. Stop now. Look at this white beautiful flowers. Hey, hi butterfly. You are very nice. See, look at that butterfly. Its color is different and very nice, right? Just now I told that it was raining heavily, right? After the rain stopped and it was sunny, I was feeling bored and I told that my mother that I was feeling bored. So she told that we can go for a walk and you can learn many things from the nature. I am very excited and we are going for a walk. A different colored croton plant here. See the beauty of the nature here. It's very nice, right? Yellow color flowers, green color, red color, many color flowers. Many trees, many big, tall trees here. See, now we have come to a place where in our right side there is a rubber plantation and to our left big tall trees, herbs, shrubs, many kinds of plants and there a creeper. Hey, also there a stream. How clean it is. Can you see the stream? How nice it is, right? It's my favorite color. I thought that the colors are artificial, but this color is natural. I'm very happy to see that my favorite color is in the nature. Hey, see here, pink color also my favorite color. These colored flowers are looking very nice for me. Okay, let's learn something else in the next video. Dhanyavadaha.